If you are over 65 with a fixed income under $30,000, you could be missing out on over $15,000 in government benefits available right now. Most seniors are unaware these programs exist, leaving billions in benefits unclaimed every year. In this video, I will show you 5 major benefit programs for low-income seniors, how to qualify, and exactly how to apply. These are not handouts, they are programs you paid into through taxes. You deserve them. Section 1. Extra Help with Medicare. The first program is Extra Help, the low-income subsidy for Medicare Part D. This helps pay prescription drug costs and can save you thousands annually. If you qualify, your Part D premium drops to zero or close to it. Your annual deductible is eliminated, and there is no coverage gap. Your copays drop to just $1.55 for generics and $4.50 for brand-name drugs. To qualify, income below $22,590, single or $30,660, married living together. Resources under $16,660, individuals, or $33,240, couples. Your home and one car do not count. Without extra help, the average senior pays about $550 in premiums plus $500, $3,000 in prescription costs. With extra help, you might pay just $100 to $200 total for the year, saving you $1,500 to $3,500. To apply, online at socialsecurity.gov. Call 1-800-772-1213. Visit your local Social Security office. You will get a decision within 2 to 3 weeks. Section 2. Medicare Savings Program. Next are Medicare Savings Programs, MSPs. These help pay your Medicare Part B premium and sometimes deductibles and copays. There are 3 main types. 1. QMB, Qualified Medicare Beneficiary. Covers Part B premiums, deductibles, copays, and coinsurance. 2. SLMB, Specified Low-Income Medicare Beneficiary. Covers Part B premiums. 3. QI, Qualifying Individual. Covers Part B premiums, slightly higher income limits. Income limits, approximate. QMB, below $1,275 MO, individual, or $1,724 MO, couple. SLMB, below $1,526 MO, individual, or $2,065 MO, couple. The 2025 Part B premium is $174.70 month, $2,096 year. Qualifying eliminates this cost immediately. If you get QMB, covering deductibles and copays saves you another $1,000 to $2,000 annually. To apply, contact your state Medicaid office. Find them by calling 1-800-MEDICARE or visiting medicare.gov. Section 3. Supplemental Security Income. The third program is Supplemental Security Income, SSI, monthly cash payments for seniors with very limited income. Unlike Social Security retirement based on work history, SSI is based purely on financial need. You can receive both. 2025 maximum payments, $943 month, individual, $1,415 month, couple. Note: other income like Social Security reduces this amount. To qualify, your resources must be under $2,000, individual, or $3,000, couple. Your home and one vehicle are exempt. Crucially, qualifying for SSI usually automatically qualifies you for Medicaid, which covers dental, vision, and nursing home care, coverage worth thousands. To apply, call 1-800-772-1213 or visit your local Social Security office. Section 4. SNAP Food Assistance. Fourth is SNAP, formerly food stamps. This provides funds on a debit card for groceries. Income limits are higher than many expect. If you are over 60, you may qualify with income up to $2,266 MO, individual, or $3,052 MO, couple. The average senior receives about $200 month, $2,400 year. To apply, contact your state's SNAP office. Find them by calling 211 or visiting your state's social services website. Section 5. Energy and Housing Assistance. Finally, programs for utility and housing costs. LIHEAP, Low Income Home Energy Assistance Program, helps pay heating cooling bills. You could receive $200 to $1,000 per year. Apply via your state local agency. Housing. Section 8 vouchers or subsidized senior housing can drop rent to 30% of your income, potentially saving $500 $1,000 month. Property tax relief. Many states offer credits or exemptions. Contact your county tax assessor. Section 6. How to apply for everything. Here is your action plan. 1. Gather documents. Proof of income, Social Security bank statements, ID, and proof of citizenship residency. 2. Start with the big wins. Call 1-800-772-1213 for extra help. Then contact Medicaid for MSBs. These two alone save $3,000 $5,000. 3. Apply for SSI. If income is very low, schedule an appointment with Social Security. 4. Apply for SNAP. Call 211 to find your local office. Even if unsure, apply anyway. 5. Check energy housing. Call 211 or your area agency on aging. Tip: these programs often link together. Qualifying for SSI usually grants Medicaid. Extra help often leads to MSP eligibility. Section 7. Don't let pride stop you. Some seniors avoid these programs due to pride or fear of taking from others. Listen carefully. You paid taxes your entire life. This is not charity. It is a safety net you earned. Using it does not take benefits away from anyone else. Do not skip meals or medication when you qualify for help. If you are over 65 living on less than $30,000, these programs can put $5,000 to $15,000 back in your pocket annually. I have created a free low-income senior benefits checklist with all numbers and steps. The link is in the description. Download it and apply today. If this helped, please like and subscribe to Medicare Clarity for Seniors. Comment below which programs you plan to apply for. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video on appealing Medicare denials.